was a website infographic I made in my second year of university. The task was to make a website infographic depicting an event of your choice. My choice was the Fire Festival that was supposed to happen in the summer of 2018. I made this infographic when I read up on the festival, what happened, the whole story, and I decided that this representation was the most effective to display that in a nice, aesthetically pleasing way. How I did it is that I created most of the images and things I needed, the icons, on Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator. And then when it was time to make it as a website with different widgets, I then moved everything I did on Illustrator, copied it to Adobe Muse to create the website features. At the top, I made a bar which helps you get to each of the sections easily and fast. And I also made it stay at the top as you're scrolling down the website so it's never lost and you can always get back to it whenever you want to. Also, I made a short synopsis of each of the scenarios into a widget which allows you add text and represent that text as an icon so the text isn't crowding the page and making it unappealing to look at. Also, I edited each of the vector graphics I got from the internet to suit my needs. For example, this guy was in a blue suit when I first got the vector image, but I changed the suit to black and I increased the size of this credit card that I got in a separate image to represent what I was saying in this short section. Other sections had similar things. I changed the laptop color in this one, and the light bulb increased the size. Just made everything suit my needs. In this one, I changed the way the model looked. She was initially in 3D with some light and shading, so I deleted all the shading and everything to make her look like the guy standing next to her because they're both flat 2D images. Yeah, so that's basically the whole task and what I ended up achieving. I also made this GIF at the top, the two timers on Photoshop by layering a bunch of images showing the timer at different sections. So I layered all of them, then played it, and then it turns into a looping GIF. That's all I did for this project, and it was a very insightful one because it taught me how to design something on Illustrator and change it to Muse so it can be ready to be published. It was never published as we didn't have a hosting service in the university, but I have it as an HTML file exported.